Ahoy Cruisers! Welcome to the Port of Castro, a charming gem nestled on Chiloé Island off the coast of southern Chile. As cruisers approach this port, they are greeted by a picturesque landscape featuring vibrant palafitos, traditional stilted houses, lining the waterfront. Stroll through the local markets to immerse yourself in the island's culture. Here, you'll find a variety of handmade crafts, traditional textiles, and local delicacies. Don't miss the chance to savor Chiloé's famed Curanto, a traditional dish featuring a mix of seafood, meat, and potatoes. For nature enthusiasts, Castro offers breathtaking landscapes. Explore the nearby Chiloé National Park, known for its lush forests, diverse wildlife, and scenic hiking trails. The Pacific Ocean provides a stunning backdrop, creating postcard-worthy views at every turn. Cruisers will encounter the warm hospitality of the locals, known for preserving their unique island culture. Engage with the friendly residents, learn about their traditions, and savor the authentic flavors of Chiloé. The Port of Castro provides convenient access to the town's main attractions, allowing cruisers to explore on foot or opt for local transportation services. Whether you're interested in cultural immersion, natural beauty, or culinary delights, Castro has something to offer every kind of traveler. Here are a few things you could do at Port Castro. Cruise to Islotes de Puñihuil. Embark on a boat tour to Islotes de Puñihuil, known for its unique natural phenomenon, the simultaneous nesting of Humboldt and Magellanic penguins. Birdwatching enthusiasts will find this an exceptional experience. Hike in Chiloé National Park. For nature lovers, a visit to Chiloé National Park is a must. Explore lush forests, hike scenic trails, and marvel at the diverse flora and fauna that make up this beautiful natural reserve. Discover Chiloé's mythology. Dive into the fascinating mythology of Chiloé by visiting the Museo de las Tradiciones Chonchinas. Learn about the island's folklore, legends, and traditional way of life. Castro is renowned for its cultural richness and unique architectural heritage. The Palafitos, with their brightly colored facades, offer a glimpse into the island's history and the resilience of its people. The iconic Church of San Francisco, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-visit, showcasing the distinctive wooden churches that characterize Chiloé. Savor seafood delights. Indulge in the island's culinary delights, especially its seafood. From fresh catches to traditional preparations, the local cuisine is a treat for your taste buds. In summary, the Port of Castro, Chile, promises an enriching experience for cruisers seeking a blend of cultural discovery and natural beauty. Explore the vibrant streets, interact with the welcoming locals, and take in the captivating scenery that makes Castro a memorable port of call on your cruise journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating destinations.